Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I'm bringing you that 5 off of 25 from Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all, went into Dollar General looking at the freebies, close to the freebies. I mean, y'all, everything worked out great. And y'all, if y'all ain't never used the app, as far as when y'all in the store, scanning the stuff on the app on the cart to see how much your total is. I don't know if anyone ever used it. It actually, it calculates to the T for me. I thought maybe, you would have to calculate the 5 off of 25, and then also if you get any additional saves on her, you know what I'm saying? But it calculates everything, the 5 off of 25, and if you get additional savings off of things when you buy like $6 or more or something like that. So I'm going to get into this deal. Yeah, I got something of everything. I got something for my dog. I got something for, for yourself, for body wash, everything, for your car. I got a lot of stuff to me for a total on the low. Okay. It's not really low, but it's on the low for the price that I've paid. Okay. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right. So the first thing is the Scott. The Scott toilet paper is the 6 big roll. It is $3, okay? There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to the Scott, okay? The next thing is the U-Back Kotex. The U-Back Kotex is $3 and let's see, I think it was $3.50. Kotex, $3.25. I'm sorry, $3.25 for the Kotex, and you get a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Purex. The Purex is the 15 count. It's the 4-in-1 that I got. For the Purex, it is $3, and there's a $2 off digital coupon, making it, y'all, only $1. Okay, the next thing, y'all, I got these arms for my dog, for Ginger. Her name is Ginger, and this is $6, but there is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. Yes, $6, y'all, $6, and there is a $3 digital coupon that is attaching. If anyone has any dogs, or if y'all want to donate, here you go. You can put it in your 5 off of 25 and make your out-of-pocket kind of low. All right. The next thing is the Tide Simply. Okay. The Tide Simply is $2.95. There's the 13 count. There is a $2 off digital coupon that it actually is for the red Tide that it come up, but it's coming up for Tide. So, hey, I'm thinking it is okay. Everybody else might say it's a glitch or it's not supposed to be used for that. But, hey, it actually scans for it, only making it 95 cents. I'm fine with that. The next thing are these Always Discreet 26 liners. Let's see. Those are, for the Always Discreet, are $3. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is actually attaching for that. So if anyone needs these or they donate, you can put them in your 5 off of 25, or if you just want to purchase them, hey, that's good. The next thing, this Ocean Spray. We not too long got this coupon. I think it was either yesterday, and it is $1. And there is a 25 cents off digital coupon, making it only 75 cents. Yes. The next thing is the Folgers. These Folgers Classic Roast, and there's 7 in here. And if y'all, y'all coffee drinkers, and it's a Classic Roast, if y'all coffee drinkers are out there, when y'all on the go, y'all just try to see if y'all can get y'all some hot water into one of the gas stations. And, hey, there it is. Get you some sugar. This is $1. And There's $1 off digital coupon, making this just free. All right, so this right here, y'all, for Breeze Auto, this is $3. You have to scan these in the store. What I'm going to tell you is, I just looked on my app. I received 2 digital coupons that actually, one of them is scanning for this. It says a 2 count, but it's scanning for this 1 count. Because the 2 counts, I scanned those. Those are $5 each that I seen. It was either 5 or 6. So I said, let me go over here and see if the $3 ones might be scanning. And yes, one of them is scanning for this. So you have to scan your, scan it on there, on the coupon, on the digital app to make sure that it's attaching. So it made this only $2. Now, if you want to get the $4 one, it's scanning also for the $4, okay? It's scanning also for the $4. So either one, hey, you can get that. The next thing is the Suave. Suave, there is no manufacturer coupons for this. The only thing I got 6 of them. I got 3 of them. They are $2 each. I got the Exfoliate Grapefruit and Sugar Body Wash, Exfoliate Sea Salt and Eclipse, y'all know, the body wash. And I got Cherry Blossom. I got these 3. They $2 each, total of 6. There is a Dollar General off digital coupon that said if you spend $6 or more, you get a $2 off. Y'all, everything came off great, okay? Everything came off great. My 5 off of 25 came off, and that $2 came off. Because I told y'all I wanted to see, because when I scanned on the app in the cart, it actually gave me a total. So I was thinking, well, maybe the 5 off of 25 didn't come off, or the $2 didn't come off for the Suave yet. But y'all, it did. Everything worked out great. So let me show you my receipt. My subtotal, y'all, was $10.95. Yes, $10.95. You can't beat that for all the stuff that I got. Okay? So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. There we go. There's the Iams. There's the Suave. There's the Scott. The Folgers. Kotex. Ocean Spray. The Body Wash. The Discreet Liners. The Febreze. The Purex. The Tide. Everything came off. And there's my subtotal, $10.95. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. Look at my total savings. $21.25. Yes, $21.25. And we got a 5 off of 25 paper for next week. All right. So, y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss London's channel.